Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to easily exchange messages, links or files between your cell phone and your computer. Explaining in a few words, it's like a chat between your cell phone and the computer. You can exchange messages with your computer and send links or a file quickly to be able to access on your computer. Before we start, I really wanted to ask for your help to subscribe to my channel and like this video. It helps me a lot and motivates me to bring more videos like this for you. Let's start the video. The first step you have to take is to open your browser. Preferably, it is Google Chrome, because the extension we are going to use is from Google Chrome. After opening the browser, we go to the search bar and search for the name Chrome Web Store, which is the Google Chrome extensions and theme store. Click on the first link that appears to you, written Chrome Web Store.
This is the Chrome Web Store page. Here you have every possible extension, themes and many other useful tools. Today we are going to use a specific one to have a chat on Google Chrome, which we can exchange with our cell phone. So as I didn't even say before, it's basically a chat system between your cell phone and the computer. Click on the Chrome Web Store search bar and type Pushbullet.
This first extension that will appear is the one we are going to use. You can see that in the illustrative image, it shows more or less how this extension works. We can see a cell phone and a computer being able to exchange messages and calls between one and the other. After seeing how it works, click on the blue button to use in Chrome, and now you just click on Add Extension and wait for the extension to be installed. Installation takes very few seconds. Once installed, it will appear in the top right corner. Okay, we have already installed the extension. It was very easy. Now, you must click on the extension by clicking on the puzzle icon and then on the Pushbullet extension, which was the extension we just downloaded here on Google Chrome. After clicking on the extension, some useful information will appear, which is easy to understand, so you can get an idea of how this extension works. After reading, click on the green button, Sign Up on Pushbullet. Now, you will need to log into your Google account. Pay close attention to what I am going to say. You have to connect the same Google accounts on your cell phone and on your computer. So the Pushbullet account on both your computer and cell phone must be from the same Gmail. After this, Google permission screen appears. Click Continue on the right button. That's it. Your account has been successfully created. Now, let's do this on your cell phone. For this, you need to install the Pushbullet application on your cell phone. Now, go to your mobile app store and search for Pushbullet, and after that, click on Install the app. You will wait for it to be installed, and after installed, we go to a very easy step. Now, I want you to pay attention only to the left side of the video, where I am recording my cell phone screen. You will open the application and log into the same Google account. After selecting the same Google account, you are practically ready to use the application. You can exchange messages between your computer. You can also send messages from your computer to yourself. And you can exchange links or photos or text messages, and even calls too, all between your cell phone and your computer. Look, the chat tab has already appeared on my cell phone, where you can type any message to receive it on your computer, or you can also write a message on your computer and send it to your cell phone. This extension is very useful for sending links that, for example, we see a link on the computer, but access it via cell phone, so you don't need to keep adding letter by letter. Just send it and click on the link. For you to open the chat on your computer, it's very easy. Click on the extensions icon that has the shape of a puzzle, and click on the Pushbullet extension. When you click on this option, it will chat appears. See that? Everything I'm sending on my cell phone is instantly arriving here in the chat on my computer. I'll send an image too. See that? Any type of media you can send here to the computer. And that's basically it. If at any point you need to uninstall this extension, it's very easy. Just go to the break icon, head, and click on the 3 dots on the extension to uninstall it. And that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye.